Two giants of project management software face off, Bitrix24 and ActiveCollab. Which one really delivers? On the left, Bitrix24 all-in-one collaboration powerhouse, and on the right, ActiveCollab streamlined, user-focused project management. We're testing them where it counts, features, interface, pricing, integrations, and more. Let's skip the marketing jargon and get to what actually matters. Each key area earns points, and at the end, you'll see which platform takes the lead. The result could surprise you. Let's get into it. Result could surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, here's a look at the categories we'll compare. Price, features, ease of use, integrations, scalability, collaboration, mobile experience, design, and UX, and support. Yeah, it's kind of a laundry list, but trust me, each of these really does matter. Ready? Let's jump right in. Let's talk about price first because, well, no one wants to spend more than they have to, right? Bitrix24 does have a free plan, which sounds awesome at first, but a lot of the good stuff is behind those paid tiers, and honestly, those can add up if you want all the big features. Now, ActiveCollab, super straightforward pricing, no confusion. You do get a 14-day free trial, which is nice, but there's no forever free plan here. If you love keeping your budget simple and predictable, ActiveCollab definitely takes this round. Now, what about features? This is where Bitrix24 just swings for the fences. Seriously, you get CRM, tasks, chat, video calls, docs, even HR tools, all in one dashboard. It can even automate stuff. The catch? The interface can get, let's say, crowded. Meanwhile, ActiveCollab is, honestly, a breath of fresh air for folks who just want the basics. Task management, time tracking, invoicing. It keeps things uncluttered, but no CRM or crazy automations. So if you're after a powerhouse, Bitrix24 wins here hands down. For ease of use, ActiveCollab is kind of a dream. The sign-up's quick, the UI is super modern, and it just makes sense. Like, you can almost guess where everything lives. Bitrix24, let's just say there's a learning curve. Tons of features, rich support docs, but you'll need them. So yeah, if speed and simplicity are your thing, ActiveCollab wins this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Bitrix24 actually started as just a CRM platform? Now it runs, like everything, HR, projects, even intranets. Wild how these tools grow. Moving on to integrations, Bitrix24 pulls in a ton. Zapier, Teams, Google, MailChimp, you name it. But here's the kicker. Some integrations need a paid plan, so keep that in mind. ActiveCollab supports the major cloud storage and productivity players. But honestly, its integration ecosystem is pretty small compared to Bitrix24's. So yeah, Bitrix24 easily takes this category. Alright, let's talk scalability. Bitrix24 is built for scale. Like, there's even an on-premise or self-hosted option if you want total control. Tons of enterprise-level bells and whistles. Downside? It might be way too much if your team's only got a handful of folks. ActiveCollab? Perfect for small or medium teams, and it's smooth for simple project workflows. But the bigger you get, the more it starts to struggle. So, again, Bitrix24 wins if you're planning to grow big. Collaboration features Next Bitrix24 comes fully loaded, chat, video calls, their own drive, workspace calendar, you name it. Sometimes I wonder, is there anything it doesn't do? Though, yeah, it might feel a little bloated if all you want is basic teamwork. ActiveCollab keeps it basic, shared projects, file discussions, even client access, but no chat or video calls built in. So for all-in-one collaboration, that's another point for Bitrix24. Now, mobile experience. Both tools are actually really solid here. Bitrix24's mobile apps pack in almost everything, though it can feel a bit cramped if you're not on a tablet. ActiveCollab plays it cool, simple, reliable, but you're missing a few advanced options on the go. Honestly, this one's a toss-up, so let's call it a tie. Let's look at design and user experience. If you love minimalism and a super clean workspace, ActiveCollab absolutely nails it. Everything's bright, modern, and gasp. You can find things easily. Bitrix24 is functional, definitely customizable, but also it can feel like there are about 17 menus too many. So yeah, for design and ease of use, ActiveCollab wins again. Support-wise, ActiveCollab is pretty responsive, solid email and chat support, and you get priority help on higher plans. No phone support on the base plan though. Bitrix24's got loads of docs and an online community, but if you're on a lower tier plan, waiting for a direct response can be, well, kind of a test in patience. So, ActiveCollab nabs this round. If we compare the categories side by side on a radar chart, you'll see Bitrix24 dominates in features, scalability, integrations, and collaboration. Meanwhile, ActiveCollab really shines with price, ease of use, its clean design, and snappy support. Right, so here's where I landed. Bitrix24 is hands down your go-to if you need an all-in-one juggernaut for business or you're thinking, wow, we'll need to scale up fast. But if you just want a stress-free modern project management tool and you've got a small to medium team, ActiveCollab is honestly hard to beat. If you found this helpful, and let's be real, these tools are changing all the time. Don't forget to stay tuned for more deep dives and tool-by-tool comparisons. Catch you in the next walkthrough.